Hi everyone, welcome to Spice and Soul Diaries. Well, if you are craving for something spicy, zesty, then you need to try this chili garlic lime chicken wings. A perfect balance of spicy red chilies, aromatic garlic, and a zing of fresh lime. And friends, if you're hosting a house party or just craving something bold and comforting, then these wings will be your new go as they are so very addictive. So let's get started with this mouth-watering chicken wings recipe. So here in this bowl I have taken 10 chicken wings and I have separated the drumlet and the winglet. And we will start with the marination process first. Here goes a tablespoon of soy sauce. Then this is oyster sauce. We'll be adding around a tablespoon of it. For seasoning goes some salt and white pepper as per taste. Next goes half teaspoon of garlic powder and half teaspoon of onion powder. Now let's mix all the ingredients well so that they evenly coats with the chicken wings. And we will let them rest for about 15-20 minutes. In the meantime, I will chop some spring onions. We'll separate the white from the green part and we'll slice them in this way. Now let's roughly chop the green part. Next I'm going to chop some coriander or cilantro leaves which will impart a nice herby flavor to our chicken wings. So this is also done. Also I'm going to thinly slice some fresh red chilies to give a spicy twist to our chicken wings. If you don't have red chilies, you can use green ones also. So I've added here 4 red chilies, but you can add chilies as per your spice level. And here are the main ingredients for my chicken wings recipe. Lots of finely chopped garlic, say around 5 to 6 large garlic pods. Some finely chopped red chilies. 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Some cilantro leaves. White part of spring onion as well as the green part. And 1 lime. So these are the main ingredients in this recipe. And now let's start with the cooking process. For that, I've already heated some oil in a wok, and when the oil is hot enough, we'll add the marinated chicken wings one by one, and we need to fry them in batches so that they are not crowded while frying in the wok and turns evenly brown from all the sides. And after about a minute, we'll flip the chicken wings and fry for another 1 minute until they are done from both the sides. And by now these chicken wings are well fried from all the sides. So we'll take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And in the same way, I'm going to fry the remaining chicken wings also until they turn deep golden brown from both the sides. And now in the same wok, we'll prepare the chili garlic lime sauce. For that goes lots of finely chopped garlic. We saute the garlic on medium flame until they turn aromatic and golden brown in color. Now let's add the chopped red chilies and the chopped onions. On medium flame, we will saute them for a while until the color of the onion slightly changes and they become translucent. Next goes the white part of the spring onions. We'll saute them for a while. We'll add now a tablespoon of Szechuan sauce for some extra spiciness as we are making chili garlic lime chicken wings. We'll stir and mix this once. And now time to add our crispy fried chicken wings into the wok. Now let's stir and mix the chicken wings well so that the flavors of chili, garlic, onions and the Szechuan sauce combines and coats well with the chicken wings. I'll add now a splash of water to rinse off the bowl where I had marinated the chicken wings, as well as a tablespoon of corn flour slurry. Let's mix this once and we'll let the chicken wings simmer for few seconds until this sauce thickens slightly. Finally, into this we will add lots of chopped green spring onions, chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, as well as a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lime juice. Let's give a final mix and we will let the chicken wings simmer for few seconds so that all the flavors are well infused with the chicken wings. And just look at these chicken wings. They're looking so very tempting and will definitely blow your taste buds. So friends, do try these yummy chili garlic lime chicken wings and you can serve them in your next get-together parties, which is sure to become a hit. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks, and if you like my recipes, then you can follow my channel for more such amazing videos. We'll see you again in my next video. Until then, bye-bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.